Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm Hasham. Already 6 problems we have completed on time series analysis. So last video we have done the problems on freehand method, semi-average method, and we have started just moving average method. So if you have not followed the earlier video, please I suggest you to go to the playlist of my channel, select the subject business statistics 2, select the topic time series analysis. Watch the first video regarding the introduction theory part of time series analysis. Then first problems part. Watch that video. Definitely you will get how to solve the problems of time series analysis. So before starting the 7th problem, I expect my readers, my viewers to have the copy of the printout from the link which I have given under the description. So go to the link, take a printout and keep it ready before start watching the problems. Now 7th problem I'm reading out. Using 3 yearly moving averages, determine the trend and short-term fluctuations. So trend means we have to calculate 3 yearly moving average, that is trend values, and short-term fluctuations, that means actual data minus trend data. Actual values minus trend values will get short-term fluctuations. Plot the original and trend values on the same graph paper. So after calculating the moving averages, we have to draw the trend line on the graph paper, original data and the trend values. Year 1968, 69, 70 up to 1977. So 10 years data is given regarding production. The production are 21, 22, 23, 25 like that up to last one 27, 26, 27, right? So first of all, we have to calculate the 3 yearly moving average. See, calculation of 3 yearly moving average just like the previous problem. First column I have taken year, second column production Y. These are the actual production values given in the problem. Third column 3 yearly moving total. Previous problem I explained you the first problem how to calculate the 3 yearly moving average. So before calculating 3 yearly moving average, you have to calculate 3 yearly moving total. After total we'll get the average. So 3 yearly moving total, first year, second year, third year, 21 plus 22 plus 23. If you add up these 3, you will get 66. Write 66 in the middle year. The middle year is 1969. So against 1969, write down 66. Now leave the first one. Leave the first one, again add up 3 years. 22 plus 23 plus 25. These 3 years total is 70. Now put 70 in the middle. Now leave this 22. Then 23 plus 25 plus 24. These 3 years, the total is 72. Write 72 here. Now leave this. Now 25 plus 24 plus 22. 71. Write 71. Leave 25. Then 24 plus 22 plus 25. Again 71. Leave this 24. 22 plus 25 plus 26. Add up these 3 values. You will get 73. Then 25 plus 26 plus 27. Add up these 3 values. 78. Last 26 plus 27 plus 26. 79. Take 79. The first year and the last year the data will be lost if we calculate 3 yearly moving average. So this total what we have calculated is 3 yearly moving totals. But we have to find out 3 yearly moving average. So divide the total by 3 because this is the total of 3 years. This 66 is the total of 3 years. So 66 divided by 3, you will get 22. 70 divided by 3, you will get 23.33. 72 divided by 3, you will get 24. Like this, we have calculated 3 yearly moving averages. Now, short-term fluctuations. The short-term fluctuations are Y minus YC. Y is the actual production data. And YC is the trend values, 3 yearly moving averages, that is the trend values. So deduct this 22. First year we don't have. Second year 22 minus 22, you'll get 0. 23 minus 23.33, you'll get minus 0.33. 25 minus 24, you'll get 1. 24 minus 23.67, 0.33. 22 minus 23.67 minus 1.67. 25 minus 24.33, 0.67. 26 minus 26, 0. Last one, 27 minus 26.33, 0.67. Put a dash. So these are called short-term fluctuations, y minus yc. This is y and this is yc, subtract. Over. The calculative part is over. Now it is asking you to show the graph. The actual values and the trend values should be shown on the same graph paper. It is asking in the problem. So plotting the original and trend values. Original values and trend values we are plotting on the graph paper. On x-axis we take the year, 10 years data is given. On y-axis we take the actual production. The production is ranging from 20 to 28. The minimum value is 20 and the highest value is 28. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit I am taking. I am breaking the y-axis because we don't have any data below 20. Our calculations are beginning from 20. So I am breaking the y-axis, I am taking 20. 20, 21, 22, 23 up to 28 I have plotted on y-axis. Now, original data and this trend data. Both the data I am drawing on the graph paper. Original data is shown by a straight line. 1968 original value is 21. 1968 21. So 1968 के लिए 21 put a mark. 1969 22. Original values are here. These original values should be plotted on the graph. So 1968 21, 1969 22. Then 1973 is 23. So this actual data I am plotting and joining the points. So this straight line which you are getting here is the original data. Whereas this dotted line is the trend data. Now trend data you can see here for 1969 the trend value is 0. Oh sorry, 22. The trend value is 22. So 1969 it is 22. Same. Actual value and trend value both are 22 in 1969. So 1969, 22. 1970, 23.33. 1970, 23.33. Mark just above 23. Then join these 2 points by dotted line. This dotted line is the trend line. Dotted line is the trend line. Straight line is the actual data. Actual data. Now similarly for 1971 it is 24. So 1971 24. 24 I am putting the mark. Then 1972 23.67. 1972 23.67. Like this I have taken the dotted line as a trend line. So original line, the straight line is the original data and the dotted line is the trend data on the same graph. So this is the end of problem number 7. Problem number 7 we have completed. Come on, now we'll start the next problem, that is problem number 8. See the 8th problem carefully. Calculate the trend values by 5 yearly moving averages method and plot the same on a graph paper from the following. Year 1990, 91, 92, 93, like that it goes on up to 2000. And consumption is given 12, 14, 18, 24, 22, 20, 16, 25, 26, 34, 31. So consumption is given for every year. Data is given from 1990 to the year 2000, right? And we are required to make 5 yearly moving averages. Then we have to draw the graph. Now see carefully. Calculation of 5 yearly moving averages. First year column I have taken from 1990 to 2000. And second column consumption values are given for every year. This is the actual data given. Now we are required to calculate 5 yearly moving averages. For calculating 5 yearly moving averages, first we calculate 5 yearly moving total. Remember one point, it is odd number of years. 5 year means odd number of years. So easily we can make the centering. There is no issue in making the centering. Because in order to make the center, if we take 5 years, middle of the year is the third year. First 2 years and last 2 years will be left. The middle year, third year, is the centered. Now 5 yearly moving total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 22. So you add up 12 plus 14 plus 18 plus 24 plus 22. The total of the first 5 year comes to 90 rupees. 90. So this 90 will be written in the center of the 5 years. This 5 year center is 1992. We are taking 5 year 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, right? These are the 5 years. In this 5 years, the middle year is 1992. The middle year is 1992. So 1992 against will write on 90. That's all. First 5 years total. Now leave the first and add the next. First one we drop and we add the next value 20. Next value. First 5 years we have taken, no? From here to here we have taken 5 years, right? Now what we'll do is we'll add the next one. What is the next value here? 20. So to this 90 we add 20 and subtract 12. This is one method, easy method of finding out the totals, moving totals. Otherwise, if you are not comfortable with this, you make the 5 year total. That means first 5 year, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 22, you have taken the total 90. Leave the first and then again add the 20. Leave the first, then again 14 plus 22, 14 plus 18 plus 24 plus 22 plus 20. These 5 years you add up and put it in the middle, 98. 98. Then leave the first 2 and the next one. Then 18 plus 24 plus 22 plus 20 plus 16. Add up these 5, you will get 100. You get 100. Then leave the next one. 24 plus 22 plus 20 plus 16 plus 25. Add up, you will get 107. Like that, you leave the first one and then add the next one. Like this, 5 years we have to take. The first 5 years total, 90. Leave this 12 and then add the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add 12. To this 90, you add 20 and minus 12. You will get 98. To 98, add 16 minus 14. You will get 100. Like that, you goes on, calculate the total. 5 yearly moving total. Now we need 5 yearly moving average. So take the total divided by 5. What is the total here? 90. So 90 divided by 5, you will get 18. First 2 years and last 2 years will be lost because we are taking the average of 5 years. 5 years means leaving the first 2. Then middle, we'll get the data only from the third year. Only from the third year we'll get the data. So 90 divided by 5 is 18. Similarly, 98 divided by 5. 100 divided by 5. So divide all these value by 5. You will get 5 yearly moving average. These are the trend values. These are the trend values or 5 yearly moving average. So calculative part is over. Now it is asking you to plot the points on the graph paper. So which points? Actual points as well as trend values. Both the points we will draw on the graph. Now see here. How many years data is given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 years data is given. So on x-axis I am taking year. See the graph. On x-axis I am taking the year 1990 to 2000 year. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 year. That is the scale on x-axis. On y-axis, if you observe here, the lowest value is 12. The lowest value is 12 and the highest value is 34. 34. So what we'll do is we'll start from 10. We'll break the y-axis. We'll start our calculations from 10. 1 centimeter, 2 units will take. For every 1 centimeter will take 2 units. So 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34. Maximum value, highest value is 34. So we are getting up to 34. The y-axis, 1 centimeter is equal to 2 units and we begin from 10. Because the lowest value in the given data is 12. Right? So we have taken the scale y-axis, x-axis. Now we have to plot the points. First year is 1990. The consumption value is 12. So for 1990 against 12, put a mark. 1990, 12. For 1991, the value is 14. So 1991 against 14, put a mark here. Join these 2 points. By a free hand, join these 2 points. Next, 1992, it is 18. So 1992 against 18, put a mark. Then join this mark. Then 1993, it is 24. So 1993, 24 is here. Put a mark and join the point. Then 1994, 22. 1994, here it is 22. Put a mark. Then 1995, 20. Put a mark here. Then 1996, 16. Against 16, put a mark here. Join the points. Simultaneously, you should join every successive point. Then 1997, 25. So against 25, put a mark here and join these 2 points. 98, 26. 26 is here. Join the points. 1999 is 34. 34 is here. So from here to here, join the point. Last 2000, it is 31. So against 2031, you put a mark, join. This line is the actual data line. It is the actual data graph. Now we have to plot the trend values also. The trend values are here. First year we don't have the trend value. First year is 1990, we don't have trend value. 1991, we don't have trend value. We have the trend value from 1992. 1992, actual value is 18 and trend value is also 18. So 1992 is here. See here. 1992, 18. So our trend value is here. Actual value and trend value is same for 1992. Then 1993, the trend value is 19.6. So here 1993, 19.6. So 19.6 is below 20. So I am putting here. Now with a dotted line, to differentiate between actual data and trend values, we are drawing a thick bold line and we are drawing dotted line. The 2 lines are there, bold line and dotted line. The bold line is for actual data and the dotted line is for the trend values. The trend values from here to here I have joined. Next 1994. For 1994 the trend value is 20. So 1994 above 20, here it is 20. So put a point. So join the points. Then next one, 1995, it is 21.4. 1991, 21.4. 21.4 is here. Put a dot. Like this, all the points, trend values, we are putting a dot and joining by a dotted line. So this dotted line shows the trend values and this bold line shows the actual values. This is the graph of 5 yearly moving average. Come on, now we'll start the next problem. 9th problem. See the 9th one. Draw a graph to represent the following data. It is asking you to draw the graph. Year 1993, 94, 95 up to 2002. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 years data is given from 1993 to 2002. And students in college. The number of students are given in a college in every year. 1993, 705 students. 1994, 685, 703, 687. Like that number of years are given for every year in a college. Calculate the 5 yearly moving average of the above data and plot them on the graph. So it is asking you to calculate 5 yearly moving averages and then plot the data on the graph paper showing the actual data and trend values. Exactly similar to the previous problem. See here, 9th problem. Calculation of 5 yearly moving averages. Here, then students in college, this is the data actually given in the problem, right? 5 yearly moving total. The first 5 year, 705 plus 685 plus 703 plus 687 plus 705. If you add up the first 5 values, first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to here, up to 705. If you calculate these 5 values, you will get 3485. Now put this 3485 in the middle year. The first 5 year, middle year is 1995. So against 1995, 3485. That's all. Now what you have to do is add the next value and deduct the previous value. To this 3485, add the next value. What is the next value here? 689. So 3485 plus 689 minus 705. So first one you drop and the next one you include. So easily you can find out. Otherwise, if you don't want to do like this, then long method, leave the first and then add up all the next 5. First one you drop and add up all the 5 values, you will get 3469. 3469. So either you add up 5 times, or simply to the previous figure add the next value and drop the first value. For example, this is the total 3485. Now you want the next one. So 3485 plus 689. See here, 3485 to this plus 689 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to drop the first one, minus 705. Minus 705, you will get 3469. 3469. After getting 3469, add up the next value and drop the previous one. So 3469 plus, earlier you have added 689. So now you take after 689, what is the next figure? 715. Add up 715 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You deduct this 685. So minus 685. You will get 3499. Like this you have to calculate. 3499. Like this you have to calculate. Go on calculating the moving totals. Moving total, 5 yearly moving total. Now you need 5 yearly moving average. Divide the 5 yearly moving total by 5. You will get the average. 3485 divided by 5, 697. 3469 divided by 5, you will get 693.8. 3499 divided by 5, you will get 699.8. Like this, all the values should be divided by 5, you will get 5 yearly moving average. That's all. The calculative part is over. Now we have to plot the data on the graph paper. The fitting, plotting the actual values and trend values on the graph. X-axis we have taken the year. Year 1993 to 2002. 1 centimeter is equal to 1 year. Scale. Scale on x-axis 1 centimeter 1 year. Now you have to be careful regarding the scale to be taken on y-axis. Now see here, highest value is 730. If you see the actual value, the highest value you will get 730. So lowest value is 685. If you compare all the values, lowest value is 685. So deduct 730 minus 685, you are getting difference 45. The difference 45 is between the highest value and the lowest value. This 45 units we have to adjust normally in 10 centimeter. I told you in the previous video also, the graph should be legible. It should neither be very long, it should not be very short. It should be clear. So normally a graph is clear if it is in 10 centimeter, more or less. 1 or 2 centimeter here and there it will go. But normally we divide 10. So 45 divided by 10, you will get 4.5. So 4.5 is an odd figure. We make equivalent to 5. So 1 centimeter will take 5 units. So what is the lowest value here? 685. We don't have any value below 685. So we don't have. That's why we will start from 680. It will be better. We can start from 685 also. But we will start 5 centimeter before, 5 units before. So we will start from 680. So I am breaking this y-axis and I am starting from 680. So 680, 685, 690, 695, 700, 705, 710, 715, 720, 725, last one 730. So 1 centimeter, 5 units. So scale I have taken 1 centimeter, 5 units, beginning from 680. The main complication is regarding taking the scale. If you correctly understood this scale, easily we can plot the points. The points are, first 1993, the point is 705. 1993, 705, put a mark. Then 1994, 685, put 685 against it, put a mark. Join these 2 points. 1995, 703. 703, put a point. Join this point. Then 1996, 687. 687, 687, put a point. Now join all these points. The bold line is the actual data given in the problem. So easily we can join all the points. We'll get the graph for actual data. Now we have to plot the graph for the trend values. The trend values we don't have for 93 and 94. We will have the trend values for 95. So 95, 697. This is 1995. 697 is somewhere here. So I'm putting a mark here. Then 1996, 693.8. 693.8 will lie here. So I have put a dotted line between these 2 points to differentiate. Bold line is for actual data and dotted line is for the trend values, average values. So join these 2 points. Next year 1997, 699.8, 698.8. So put the point here. Now join this. So this dotted line shows the trend values. This is the complete graph for problem number 9. So we have completed 9 problems. Totally we have done 9 problems on freehand method, semi-average method and moving average method. So if you are satisfied with my lecture, give a like to the video, share it in your group, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. We'll continue the next problem in the next video.